back to my channel. Today we're going to do the unboxing of Boxycharm for May 2019. Now I do know that there was a lot of variations for this box. So I know that I'm wanting the First Aid Beauty coconut cream. So cross your fingers and we'll see. So when you open it up, this is what it looks like. And I got the Glam Glow wash, which it's okay. So the theme for this month is Make Waves, which I think is very cute for summer coming up. And then everything on the back tells you about all your products you got. Boxycharm, of course, is $21 a month. And I've been with them almost a year, and I love it. So the first thing I'm pulling out is the first thing I see, and it's by Glam Glow. This is the Gentle Bubble Cleanser. Gentle, but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but efficiently cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. Soap, fragrance, and SLS free. It's for all skin types are approved. And it retails for $28. The outer packaging is really cute. It does look like a bubble. And the inner packaging matches just the same. So it just smells like a cleanser. And it's a pretty good size. So more skincare for me to try this month. Okay, the next thing I'm seeing is by Dose of Colors. This is a liquid matte lipstick. Your new Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick has a velvety, high fashion matte finish, which envelops lips in rich, long-wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultimate, comfortable matte finish. And this retails for $18. We got the color Rosebud. And I do not own any Dose of Colors lipsticks, so this will be my first one. I have heard that they are good. So it's a pinky mauve color. There is that color. Don't mind the swatches. So I like that. The next thing in here is by Ciate London. This is Ciate London Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. Your new Ciate London's Eye Luster will help you create long-lasting shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic glittery liquid shadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. And this retails for $22. I got mine in the color Cupid. This is what it looks like outside of the bottle, or outside of the box. It is a shimmery pinkish purple color. It does have the flat doe foot. And it glides on great. This is what that looks like right there. It does shift from a purple to a gold. So that'll be nice and new. I'm still loving the Artist Couture highlight that we got last month, so that should go with that pretty well. The next thing we got is by Bodyography. This is an eyeliner pencil. This vegan, cruelty-free Bodyography lip pencil is not a lip pencil. This is an eye pencil. Is antioxidant rich, infused with coconut oil and vitamin E. The smooth yet long-lasting formula glides on effortlessly delivering durable pigment that can frame, fill in, and define lips. This is not for lips. This is for your eyes. Either way, this retails for $14, and I got mine in the color Emerald. So it's a pretty bluish green color. And that is what that eyeliner looks like. It does say lip liner, but it is not. And then last but not least, we got the Alamar Colorette Blush Trio. Get your blush on with your new Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio, formulated to glide effortlessly over cheeks. This buttery smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays. And this retails for $22. The packaging on this is really pretty. It does give me summertime vibes. And I got the palette Fair Light. So that should work. When you open it up, there is a mirror. Oh. And that is what the blush looks like. So we got Castaway, Parasol, and Scorcher. And that is what those blushes look like swatched. They are not a shimmer shifting blush. It is purely pigment. They are very smooth. So I will have to play around with that and see what I think about it. But it is very pretty. And it does have a mirror. So that was our Boxycharm for May of 2019. I am happy with some of the things that I got. And some of the new things that I didn't know that was a possibility of getting. So with this box that we paid $21 a month, we got the average value of $104 was how much my box was worth. So I am very happy with this month's box. I will definitely use all my new items and let y'all know what I think about them. I hope you got what you wanted in your box. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Possibly hit that subscribe button. If you haven't already, come back and see everything I'm doing. And until next time, you stay beautiful. Bye.